Hi students, the seventh sum in ray optics. The angle of minimum deviation for a glass prism with refractive index mu equal to root 3 equals to the refractive angle of the prism. We have to read carefully. So two angles are equated. Which two angles are equated? The angle of minimum deviation is equal to the angle of the prism. That is given here. What is the angle of the prism? We have to find out the angle of the prism here. Okay. So what is given? Angle of minimum deviation D is equal to A. So this is given in the problem. And we have to find what is the angle of the prism. Okay. We have to find what is A equal to. Then what else is given? The refractive index mu is equal to root 3 is given. Okay. Now we have derived an expression for the refractive index of the material of the prism in terms of angle of the prism and angle of minimum deviation. So that is mu equal to. We can also use the symbol n for refractive index. Sometimes they are using the symbol mu in the textbooks also. So mu is equal to sine of A plus D divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. So we have to write the expressions carefully. Okay. So here the angle of minimum deviation D is also equal to the angle of the prism A. So shall I substitute now A instead of D here? Okay. So this is now equal to, okay, this is now equal to sine of A plus A by 2, okay, A plus A divided by 2 because D is equal to A is given, whole divided by sine of A by 2. Once again, this is what? A plus A by 2 is what? 2A divided by 2, is it not? So this is equal to sine of 2A divided by 2 whole divided by sine of A by 2. So these two get cancelled. Therefore mu is now equal to sine A divided by sine of A by 2. Up to this it is very easy to substitute and derive. Now I am going to use the trigonometric identity. So I am going to rewrite the same sine of this angle A in bracket I will take. A is, you see here, A is twice of A by 2, is it not? The same thing I am going to rewrite in a different way. See here, it is sine of, okay, 2 into A by 2, 2 into A by 2, that is sine 2 theta divided by sine of A by 2. Like this also I can write. Here itself we should have substituted, no problem. So sine of 2 into theta. What is the full form of or expansion of sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta into cos theta. Is it not? So I am going to use the identity sine 2 theta is equal to 2 into sine theta into cos of theta. So here theta is equal to what? A by 2, is it not? So sine of 2 into theta is equal to A by 2. So this is equal to 2 into sine of A by 2 into cos of A by 2. Like this I am going to substitute on the right hand side numerator. Therefore now mu. Instead of mu, we can also substitute what value? Root 3 is given already, is it not? So this is equal to numerator of sine of 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. I am going to substitute. So 2 into sine A by 2 into cos, okay, into cos A by 2 whole divided by sine A by 2. So this sine A by 2 and sine A by 2 can be cancelled. Now I am going to substitute mu equal to what? Root 3. So this is root 3. Okay, this is equal to 2 into cos A by 2, cos of A by 2. So this 2 can be brought down, is it not? So root 3 by 2 is equal to cos of a by 2. Therefore, what is a by 2? A by 2 is equal to, therefore, a by 2 is equal to cos inverse of root 3 by 2. So, this is equal to 30 degree. Is it not? So, cos 30 only is equal to root 3 by 2. Therefore, cos inverse of root 3 by 2 must be equal to 30 degree. So, a by 2 is 30 degree means what should be then a equal to? Therefore, a is equal to 2 into 30. So, this is equal to 60 degree is the answer. The angle of the prism must be equal to what? 60 degree. So, which is the option you see here? Option C is the right answer. Is it not? So, option C is the correct answer. So, we have found that angle of the prism A is equal to 60 degree. Understood? Very simple only. Okay. Just it is to be substituted the given value, that is D is equal to A has to be substituted. Otherwise, it is very simple only. I hope you must have understood this well. Fine.